What's up guys? Today's video is on the top 5 best clay bar for car on the market today. Through extensive research and testing, I have put together a list of options that will meet the needs of different types of buyers. So whether it's price performance or its particular use, we have got you covered. For more information on the products, I have included links in the description box down below which are updated for the best prices. Like the video, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Now let's get started. In our list, the number 5 product name is Lithium Auto Elixirs Clay Bar for Car. This auto-detailing solution provides an effective way to maintain a smooth and clean surface. Designed for use on different materials, it offers excellent performance for removing unwanted particles and pollutants. The natural composition enhances its ability to clear away debris, ensuring a polished and refined appearance. The advanced formulation makes it ideal for eliminating contaminants from multiple surfaces. The carefully selected materials work efficiently on paint, glass, and plastic. The ultrafine texture ensures a gentle yet effective process, restoring surfaces to their original smooth condition. The consistent quality enhances usability, allowing for effortless application. The included solution enhances the overall effectiveness by providing necessary lubrication. The specially formulated liquid helps maintain surface integrity while improving shine. The hydrophobic properties create a protective layer, adding an extra level of care. The high-quality ingredients ensure lasting performance, keeping surfaces looking fresh. The easy-to-use design simplifies the process, allowing for a smooth experience. The lightweight composition makes handling convenient, ensuring an even application across different areas. The unique properties ensure a balanced approach, preventing damage while maximizing results. The carefully developed formulation allows for deep cleaning without unnecessary effort. The protective features offer long-term benefits by shielding surfaces from exposure. The specialized coating helps maintain a vibrant look while reducing the effects of environmental factors. The improved finish enhances the overall visual appeal, making it a valuable addition to regular maintenance routines. With a combination of natural components and high-quality formulation, this detailing solution delivers outstanding results. The innovative approach ensures maximum effectiveness while maintaining ease of use. In our list, the number 4 product name is Chemical Guy's Duty Clay Bar. This auto-detailing solution offers an effective way to maintain a clean and smooth surface. Designed to remove stubborn dirt, it helps eliminate unwanted buildup that affects the appearance of paint. The carefully formulated components work to lift embedded particles, restoring the original finish. The process enhances surface quality by ensuring a deep cleanse. The specialized formula provides a balanced approach, making it suitable for different conditions. The advanced composition removes contaminants that can dull paint over time. It works effectively on surfaces exposed to harsh elements, helping to maintain a fresh look. The carefully designed structure ensures ease of use while delivering consistent performance. The included synthetic lubricant enhances the overall experience by allowing effortless application. It reduces friction and prevents damage, ensuring a smooth process. The solution helps the cleaning material glide seamlessly, maintaining the integrity of the surface. This thoughtful addition enhances usability while protecting the original appearance. The easy-to-handle design makes it convenient to use. The lightweight structure allows precise application across different areas. The smooth texture helps prevent scratches, ensuring a professional quality finish. This reliable cleaning method prepares surfaces for further treatments like waxing or polishing. The advanced cleaning solution helps maintain a refined and polished appearance. By removing dirt and pollutants, it restores the natural shine of the paint. The improved surface quality enhances the overall visual appeal, making it a valuable addition to regular maintenance routines. With a carefully developed composition, this auto care product ensures outstanding performance. The innovative formula effectively removes impurities while maintaining the original condition of the paint. The balanced design offers a convenient and efficient way to achieve a smooth and spotless surface. In our list, the number 3 product name is Mother's California Gold Clay. This auto-detailing solution helps maintain a smooth and clean surface by removing unwanted particles. It is designed to lift embedded dirt, tree residue, and environmental contaminants that can affect the appearance of paint. By eliminating these impurities, the surface regains its original condition, providing a fresh and polished look. The carefully developed material is flexible and easy to use. It glides effortlessly across different surfaces, allowing for a thorough cleaning experience. The refined composition ensures that the application process remains smooth while delivering consistent performance. This cleaning method works effectively on various paint types, helping to maintain a flawless finish. With regular use, the surface remains well maintained and free from harmful buildup. It enhances the overall appearance by restoring depth and clarity. The fine composition ensures a silky smooth finish, making it an essential tool for preserving the natural shine of the exterior. This method helps protect the paint, keeping it in excellent condition. The included detailing solution enhances performance by allowing effortless application. It provides additional cleaning support, helping to remove stubborn dirt. The carefully formulated ingredients work together to improve shine and smoothness while maintaining the integrity of the original surface. Designed for convenience, this cleaning tool is an essential addition to any maintenance routine. It effectively removes unwanted particles while keeping the paintwork protected. The innovative structure ensures an easy-to-use experience, allowing for professional quality results. This cleaning method helps maintain the appearance of the vehicle by providing a refined and polished surface that enhances visual appeal. In our list, the number 2 product name is Meguiar's Smooth Surface Clay. This auto-detailing solution helps eliminate stubborn contaminants from the surface, ensuring a clean and smooth finish. It effectively lifts unwanted particles such as road residue, industrial deposits, and environmental buildup that can dull the appearance of paint. By removing these impurities, the surface regains its natural shine and smoothness, enhancing the overall look. The carefully developed formula allows for easy application on different surfaces. It works safely without causing any damage, making it a reliable option for maintaining the condition of the exterior. The flexible material glides smoothly, lifting dirt and debris while preserving the integrity of the original surface. This method enhances the final result, leaving a polished and refined appearance. With regular use, the surface remains in top condition, free from harmful particles that can affect the quality of the paint. This process helps prepare the surface for additional protection, ensuring that wax adheres properly and lasts longer. The application improves the effectiveness of protective coatings, providing long-lasting care for the exterior. The included detailing mist enhances performance by allowing effortless use. It helps lift unwanted contaminants while ensuring a smooth and even finish. The gentle composition ensures safe application on different surfaces, keeping the paintwork in excellent shape. Designed for convenience, this maintenance tool is a valuable addition to any routine. It efficiently removes impurities while keeping the exterior protected. The innovative design ensures a user-friendly experience, delivering professional quality results. This method helps maintain the natural beauty of the vehicle by providing a clean and well-preserved surface that enhances overall appeal. In our list, the number 1 product name is Chemical Guy's Clay Bar for Car. This automotive care solution helps maintain a clean and smooth finish by eliminating unwanted particles from exterior surfaces. It effectively lifts impurities such as brake dust, tree sap, and road grime, ensuring a spotless and well-maintained appearance. By removing these contaminants, the surface regains its original shine and smoothness, making it easier to apply protective coatings. This method provides a reliable way to decontaminate paint, glass, and trim without causing any damage. The carefully developed formula ensures safe application on different surfaces, keeping the exterior in excellent condition. It enhances the effectiveness of protective layers by preparing the surface for waxing or polishing, allowing for long-lasting care. With regular use, the exterior remains free from harmful particles that can affect the quality of the paint. This approach extends the durability of maintenance products, ensuring a cost-effective way to keep the surface in top shape. The innovative formula allows for smooth application, preserving the integrity of the finish. The included detailing solution enhances performance by creating a slick layer for effortless use. This feature helps prevent unwanted marks while ensuring a smooth process. It supports even coverage, keeping the paintwork well maintained and protected. Designed for ease of use, this maintenance tool simplifies the detailing process. It provides a professional-level solution for keeping the exterior in pristine condition. The well-crafted design ensures a user-friendly experience while delivering exceptional results. This process helps preserve the natural beauty of the surface, ensuring it remains clean and polished.